Hi everyone, I have started a video series for Git and GitLab. Today we are in lecture 4. Already we have covered basic details of GitLab and how to create an account, how to create a new project and the initialization of Git. And in the third video I have already covered basic how to create a project in our local and then commit the project in our local repository, and then how to submit or push this project in the GitLab. Okay, now today we are in lecture 4. Here we will learn, like in what I have already discussed. If we are working in a project, someone is already developed a project and we would like to contribute in this project. So what we will do, we will clone, means we will take the project as it is and then we will add feature or commit or changes, whatever the changes we would like to do we can do, and then we will submit the changes, okay, in the same location, so other can also see what the changes programmer like B has done. Okay, so now here first we have means assume that developer A has create a project in GitLab. Okay, so new project, or from here you can create a new project. It is taking some time. Okay, now blank project we have right here demo for clone. Okay, one new project clone, and this make as private for the, and we are at deployment. Okay, no need to change anything. Okay, now a developer A create a project, blank project demo, and right now form content of blank project namespace already. Okay, already we have this name, so we can write A, developer A. Oh, why A? Okay, anyways, any name you have give. Okay, now you will, in your local system, this is it's Visual Studio is open. Now here in the D directory I have create one directory, demo clone project. Okay, now I have created one directory, successfully it is created, and now I go to that location, I have opened this project. Okay, now while we are creating a project, and if we would like to submit the changes or add the project in the GitLab, first thing we have to do is the git init, because we need that. This is used for the version control. But here what we will do, go to the terminal, and then first thing we have to write here that git clone, this is the command, and then you clone that option, that HTTP, and just paste this in the code, inside this code. Okay, once we have done this, it will create a clone of this project. Whatever in the project, the same thing is we can get over here. See, you can see readme file in this project. Right now only the readme file is there. Okay, so what thing we next what should we do? So just go to the project, it will be more clear. Okay, now you can see one more thing. While we are create a project and would like to submit in the remote, we first thing we have to initialize as a git, and dot git is created as a hidden folder while we are writing the command in git init. Already I have covered those things in my third video. Now here I have not initialized this git, still dot git is created, a hidden folder is created because it is used for the version control. Here we have not required to create this project separately. Okay, now if you can see over here, you cannot see this because this is a hidden folder. Okay, now I go to the terminal. Okay, and what thing next we would like to perform, that is we would like to contribute something, means we have added some file over here like test.py. Okay, here I have write something print welcome. Okay, and then once the file is created, already we have seen this thing similar, but still I will repeat. First thing, we will check the status. What it will show, it's a red color and says that untracked file. Those who are not covered this video 3, just for them I have covered once again. So it means till now I have modified this file, but still it is not in the staging state, because before the local means if we would like to submit in the remote repository or commit in the remote repository, first we need to commit in our local, and before that we need to add this file. This is called as staging stage. So I have seen that this is not untracked file because it is not added. So that's why give the option that you should add this first, include. Okay, so next command is git add and then file name test.py. Okay, now here already I have covered one thing. If we have a multiple file, instead of the file name, if we would have a project on multiple file we have created, and individually we have to not give the individual file name, just we have used this dot. It's similar thing, like all the file will be added. Once the file is added, we have a command commit m, and then we have right here meaningful statement. Already I have covered, because meaningful statement why we have required, because once we have submit the changes or push the changes in the remote repository, other developer can also see what are the changes I have done. Instead of go to the file and check, with this commit statement they can understand what the developer B has done. So always a commit statement should be a proper. Okay, add test.py. okay. Yeah, so when it is committed, now you can check the status. See, it is nothing to be commit because already we have committed, no new file is there, that's why. But still it is not in the remote repository, you can see, because we have not done the push operation. So for this we have required the option git push. First we have check again, push origin main, because our branch is main. Yeah, we have successfully pushed. Now if you can see whether it is coming in this folder or not, we can see this in this folder or not. See, we have successfully pushed. In this way we can contribute someone. If someone create a remote repository, we can clone the project and we can contribute in this project and submit. And now one more important thing, this commit statement. Always once we have commit, always it should like need a proper commit statement. So developer, instead of go to the details and see, at least as a glance they can understand what need to change over here, like developer B what they had changed here. Like here one file is added, if I have modified some function, I have added some function, just I have to write this thing. Okay, so this, in this way we can like clone some project and we can contribute our portion and we can means work together. So in this way we can like create means to connect with the local repository to the local to the remote repository. So in the next lecture I will cover like here just a brief, like here you can see this main. So different type of branch, so how to create, what are the requirement of the branch, I will cover in the next video. Thank you everyone for giving your time and patience. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.